This is the final and the fifth strategy, all right? Which is about writing, just write. You should be improving, look at the long list. It's really exciting, huh? Writing skills, expression of ideas, sentence formation, grammar, language expressions, and speech acts, spelling, writing style, and words memorization. Sounds like a full course with just one episode. So, let's see how it goes. Okay, down please. So write at least 10 sentences about the episode you watched or the episodes you watched 3 days a week. I think starting with 3 days a week is fine. 10 sentences is fine. You don't have to use complicated sentences. You just start easy at the beginning. You can express your thoughts about, you can talk about the events, how they went. You can retell the story actually, which is really easy for beginners and intermediate levels. You can talk about your opinion about the show. Probably you would like to think about different ending of the story. Probably you'd like to kill someone in the show. It's up to you. So whatever motivates you, as long as you're attached to whatever you have seen or you have watched, you can be skillful actually in writing. Employ, this is the most essential part. Employ the new words and expressions that you learned from the episodes. That's why I encourage you. Actually, I've been doing this for the past probably 7 years. I use my notes. Whenever I watch a TV show or movie, I go to cinema, I always get my mobile. Whenever I see or hear a new word to me, expression, grammatical, anything, I just write it down. And then I have like a long list. Whenever I want to type, whenever I want to show off to a professor or a senior supervisor, you know, I can use my fancy words. So it's like a rich, huh? I always do it with Veronica, yes. So you can employ the new words that you learned from the episodes. While writing, remember, this is not a quiz, this is not exam. So you can make use of all the resources that you can get. Dictionaries, you can go to YouTube, you can use your notes, you can go to Google, you can call me, you can do anything and just try to make it rich. This piece of writing, try to make it rich. Be proud of yourself. Trust me, you'll get a feeling that you will be proud of yourself and it will motivate you in the future. Once you finish, check your mistakes to avoid them next time. Check spelling, check grammar, check expressions. Probably you use the word in a different context or in a false context, so you can overcome these issues in the future. So we have covered writing skill, expression of ideas, sentence formation, grammar, language, expression, spelling, writing style, words, memorization. Okay, so I have finished with my strategies. I'd like you please to tell me, what do you think about